Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay and today we are going to talk about PM Cares again. I've already made a video on PM Cares and this is the second part. So PM Cares was set up to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic because PM cares. Modi ji cares for poor. Kya baat? It was set up in the month of March and I'm not going to get into a lot of details regarding what came first, the acronym or the full form. I think we have debated that in the previous video. So let's move on. PM Cares has always come into a lot of controversy since its establishment in March because of its lack of transparency and the way it was established, which I've already discussed in the previous video. But in this video, we are going to discuss if it's a government trust or a private trust. Have you all ever wondered? It is a government trust, obviously, because it has got CSR benefit and it has an extension of gov.in. No, wait. It is a private trust because it doesn't fall under RTI and government audits. आंसर इतना इजी होता तो ये वीडियो थोड़ी ना बनाते हम. So basically PM cares. The mystery continues. Now, naam ke liye it is a government trust which made it eligible for CSR donation, and because of that CSR donations, the funds came in like crazy in thousands and thousands of crores into this fund. And some cheap tactics also they did, in which government employees thoda sa part of their salary will be cut and given into PM cares unless they opt out of it. मतलब कितना प्रमोशन करना है भाई, बस ना. So this way it was a government trust. But the trust deed which was recently published on the PM Cares website, official website, showed that it isn't a government trust. Point 5.3 of the trust deed says that the trust is neither intended to be or is in fact owned, controlled or substantially financed by any government or any instrumentality of the government. There is no control of either the central government or any state governments, either direct or indirect, in the functioning of the trust in any manner whatsoever. मतलब कितना clearly बोल दिया है that it is not a government trust. Clearly mentioned it है. गवर्नमेंट का नहीं है, क्या बोले अभी. So in this way it is a private trust which exempts it from RTI and government audits. Smart गए मोदी जी. हर्षद मेहता of politics. PM Cares was set up on 27th of March and on the very next day, on the 28th of March, Ministry of Corporate Affairs issued an office memorandum saying that PM Cares is a CSR initiative and it can get corporate donations. Now there were some documents accessed by Anjali Bharadwaj, an RTI activist, and through that RTI, it revealed that the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, while issuing the office memorandum, stated that PM Cares is a setup of the central government. So while issuing the document, they are saying it's a central government body for corporate donations. Whereas in the trust deed, which was published one day before, which was made think one day before, it says it's not a government controlled thing at all. No, संबंध ही नहीं है government का. Then on May 26, approximately 2 months after the setup of the trust, they included it in the Companies Act retrospectively from March 28th. So basically for 2 months, PM Cares was getting funds from corporates illegally. Modi ji is smart. Smart Modi ji, smart BJP. So still the question remains. Now, is PM Cares fund public or private? And the answer is, it's actually both. Government trust for getting CSR donations and private trust so that they don't have any obligation or be answerable to the public. Win-win for Modi ji. So the mystery will still continue. But nice scammer these guys. God knows how your funds are being utilized. Whoever has donated to PM Cares, God knows where it's being done, because many RTIs were filed to get details out of the PM Cares fund. But PM Cares keeps on rejecting that, saying that it's not a public authority, it is private. So abhi hum bhi kya bole? So is it public or private? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And thoda subscribe karo yaar, please. Look at the amount of subscription, people watching my videos, how many of them are not subscribed? It hurts within. I know it's annoying for you all to listen to it, but करना पड़ता है. Subscribers चाहिए हमें, please. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. बाय।